Assalamualaikum guys, in this video we are learning about the identifiers. Last in the previous video we learned about tokens, but in this video we are learning about the identifiers in an understandable manner. I will make sure I will teach you in an understandable manner and you will learn more efficiently and more rapidly. So to learn these kind of concepts in easiest way, subscribe my channel and share this video to the people as much as possible, and don't forget to hit the like button and also the bell icon. It should not be forgotten, because what I upload you will get the notification only if you press the bell icon and select the all option. So to learn identifiers, here are the definition. An identifier is a name used to identify a variable, function, class, module, or object. We are only aware of variable in my concepts. So in the future video I will upload the function, class, module, or object. So let's say only variable guys in this video. So an identifier is a name used to identify a variable. We actually learn what is variable, and if you doesn't watch my previous video, you go and watch my video and name that what is variable in a simple manner. So an identifier is the name used to identify a variable. Suppose we are defining a variable int a, and a name we are giving a, which is the variable name itself. So here are the some of the conditions. An identifier must start with an alphabet or underscore. This is the Python structure, guys. You also differ from other programming language. It will be differ from other languages. Identifier may contain digits 0 to 9 or any other else. Python identifier are also case sensitive. Uppercase and lowercase letter are distinct. So here, case sensitive means the uppercase and the lowercase letter are distinct, because every programming language is a case sensitive. If you're if you're programming a program, then you have to careful about this case sensitive, because you are doing work in only uppercase, then it will be printed throughout error, because every programming is based on lower. As far as I know, that I learned the programming is lowercase letters only to implement in it. To print an output statement, you could even also use the uppercase letter. So identifiers, the fourth one is fifth one. Identifier must not be Python keyword. As I told you earlier, that to define a variable, you should have to be aware of the keywords and your names, your variable names, because your keywords should not be your variable name, because Python keyword is specifically defined to the interpreter only. The interpreter is structured way, not to be changed at all. Because you want to learn more about keywords, you watch my previous video. It will make sure you that you will understand it completely. So Python does not allow punctuation characters such as modulus, dollar symbol, at the rate, etc. within identifiers. So a variable name should not be a module, uh, dollar symbol, or at the rate, and etc. So this is the concept of identifiers. So let's say example of invalid identifiers here. Suppose we are defining a variable to a name, that is also an invalid, because we had defined it here the uppercase letter n. The second one is name dollar, that is also not, because the dollar symbol should not become the variable name, that is the identifier. Total mark, it should not be, it is also not. Continue, it is also not, because continue is a keyword of Python interpreter. And let's say the example of valid identifier is sum. You can also use total marks. Underscore is, you could also use the underscore, but you could not use any other kind of thing, commas or any other thing way I told you earlier that what at the rate etc should not be used. Reg number also used because it is lowercase, and num1 also could be used as per the conditions of the identifiers. So here, without much further ado, subscribe my channel and share this video to the people as much as possible, and make sure to like that video and also share my channel, and also comments it guys, because I want to see the comments. So thank you guys, thank you so much. That's all for today. Thank you so much for guys, thank you so much for everything. Thank you very much.